idea of a course teaching people how to sing in tune came from a very personal story which, if not for it, I wouldn't dare think that's possible. A friend of mine who couldn't sing in tune at all and was often ridiculed for it, asked me to help him improve his singing. I told him, "I'm sorry, I can't help you. People are either born musical or not. It's an instinct which you lack." As our relationship developed and I shared with him my understanding of the nature of music, to our surprise, his singing really improved. The more I shared with him and opened his ears to music, his singing came into tune. I was astonished that that's possible. I was sure of the common perception that music is an instinct which you're either born with or not. Yet I discovered that a person can develop a capability for singing in tune. That opened my research into music education, of how to teach people who may be absolutely removed from music. I realized it's a matter of education. A specific focus of my education, therefore, is teaching people to sing in tune. It's always so sad to see a person unable to sing in tune. Even more sad is the belief that it's incurable. I was so excited by this new possibility and worked hard to develop the method to do that. I'm very glad to offer this course to people who have always been ashamed of their handicap. In this course, I'll guide them to an understanding and appreciation for the nature of music and train their ears and voices to it.